Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to go over items that I have in my RC collection, starting with the Dji Phantom. And then we have here the Ford GT from Traxxas. We have this guy here that broke, the S-Max that broke a long time ago at the skate park. And there's the body to it down there. And then we have our Bass Pro RC here from New Bright. It's 4-wheel drive RC. Here we have the Traxxas Slayer. Over here we have my FT Series boat. Right here we have the Thundershot. We have my Low C Mini T 2.0 right here. We have my Revos, E-Revos, red right here, blue right here, the Slash, the other Slash, and the other Slash, the McLaren, which I don't have the controller for. If you know anyone that has the controller that they're willing to sell, please leave a comment in the below, because I really want to drive this guy. Here we have my other little drone, the Spark. You might have seen this one recently if you've watched my previous video. This is the Simrex that I found at the Goodwill. I'm waiting for the USB charger to come in. That should be in tomorrow or Thursday. You recognize that guy there. That's my Traxxas Revo 3.3 Nitro, which we will be running here shortly. Down in here in this crate there, we have the 3 drift cars from Fast and the Furious. We have the Hello Kitty Skyline. We have the orange Supra, and then we have the silver Skyline right there. We have the Viper. Back in my man cave we have the other Traxxas. Up here we have the Zenith, which I haven't got running. I really need to check out this RC and see if I can get it running or just replace the motor. I tried to get it started like once or twice and it ran for like 30 seconds and then just stopped. So yeah, here we have the other guy that I got. Now both of these RCs came, I bought it at an auction. They're like China made RCs, so it's like a no-name brand RC. So yeah, but this one right here, this one runs excellent. I really enjoy this one. I really want to get this one going. But down here is the motor that is inside that guy. Now this one has a motor that's different. I don't feel like taking it down, but if you can see it in there, it looks like it might be the same. I forget it because it's been years since I ran it, but I might put this motor in here because this one I think is good. So I might throw that in there and see if we can get that one going, and maybe have a race between this guy and this guy. So I mean, we got a lot of RCs here, fam. So you guys, you really need to subscribe to the channel because we got a lot here to post and do and get started and things of that nature. And there is an RC that will be coming. I can't say when, but it will be coming. So you'll just have to stay tuned for that. These are the tires that I'm going to put on the Viper, and those are the drift tires for the drift cars. Over here we have some oldies but goodies. This is the recently acquired Tyco 9.6 volt blaster turbo. What? I can't remember if I needed anything for this. Maybe a battery. Yeah, I think I just needed the battery for this. Then we have the Radio Shack RC here. The Tesoro Z. Electric, fast RC. I love it. If you want to see it run, just leave a comment below and I can run it. Here we have a another New Bright RC that's been in the box for I don't know how long, since Kmart was around. The original price was $19.99 and I got it for what looks to be like $15 or $13. I really can't tell, but I got it at a reduced price, and yeah, I haven't opened it, so perhaps we need to open this YFZ 450. What do you think? Leave a comment below and let me know. And way down here, that's just a box. You saw the E-Revos out there earlier. Is the last one I have of the rock crawlers, the yellow one. I gave away the green one. I had a red one and a black one. I'm not even sure where they are. I think they're in storage somewhere, but I can't remember. But this is the yellow one that's still in the box. And these are pretty good, but yeah, they're probably just RCs I'll give away. So yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. These little guys right here. I have 4 of them. Pardon my dust. But these are the little Air Hog RCs. These are so freaking fun to drive. I have, if you can see it down there, it's 3 of them down there. But I have to find the controllers for it, because that's what's holding me up. I believe those are in storage as well. Yeah, these little guys are fun to drive. I think wherever the controllers are, that's where the tires are. So yeah, those little Air Hogs are absolutely fun. But I gotta once again find the controller for it before we can run them. Yeah, because I did promise in another video that, you know, I would do that. So yeah, I'm still working on that. But yeah, so there you have it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, please, and don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to comment below about which one of the RCs that I just shown you is your favorite, and if you haven't seen it run on the channel that you would like to see me run. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop a video on YouTube, and don't forget to follow us on no.pros.rc on Instagram so you can get the inside scoop on what's coming to the channel before the tube does. Alright, so that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned. We're going to get this guy running, I promise. Y'all be easy. Peace.